I think first of all, cheers to everyone. It's 6:30 p.m. in South Africa, and I've got a lot to celebrate. So having some champers. Don't ever neglect to celebrate your successes. So cheers. And today we are looking at Microsoft Teams and how we can add feedback to our teams to just keep on evolving this and making this into an amazing product that it already is, of course. But it's always good to ask feedback because we kind of think we know everything, but I can promise you we don't. So what I've done on this human resources team of mine is I've added a channel called Feedback. And on Feedback, I'm going to go add new tab and I'm going to create forms. So in forms, of course, what's very cool is I can create a shared form for my team that we can all collaborate on and add to, or I can add an existing form. And in this example, I'm going to add an existing form, and you'll see that there's a Teams feedback form that I've created. And I'm going to add that, and I'm going to say save. At the bottom, you'll see that it also says post to the channel about this. And then also it gives you an option to say that do you want to collect the responses or do you just want to display the results? But for now, I want to just collect the responses. I'll actually post it to the channel. And then we'll have a look at see what this actually looks like. That's pretty fast. Thanks, Microsoft. So there's my very cool looking Microsoft Forms. Nothing fancy at the moment, but what it's asking is, hey, how can we help you? Do you want to add a member? Do you want to add a channel? Do you want to change a culture? Okay, so that's all about feedback, right? So add the name of the channel or the email address. Now, of course, I can change these fields and make the one person or group if it was SharePoint. But for now, I've just left one field to be a single line of text to say, give me the channel name or give me the email address of the member, and then any other feedback you'd like to give. You can definitely build this form out to be a bit more than just this example that I've given. But what a cool way to be able to give feedback right there where you are in the Microsoft team that you're using. Remember, people won't navigate away from where they're working to go and give feedback somewhere else. We've got to go add it right in there where they're working. And that's why Microsoft's bringing in that help tab in Microsoft Office, where we can right there add a new feature, give feedback, go to the forums. And that's exactly what we want to do in Teams. So use Microsoft Forms to add that feedback that we want to get from the team. Because as I said, you don't always know everything or think of everything, and maybe they want to add some things. So keep that noise out of the team, put it all in a form and say, who do you want to add? What do you want to do? How can we make this better for you? Because Teams is definitely the gateway drug to consuming the rest of the Office 365 drugs, for sure. That's how it's going to work. So I hope that that's a good tip for you. And remember, you can add that form and you can add the results as well if you rather want to display the results in your team. So good luck with that. And remember to set the permissions as well that anyone in your organization can actually submit it. And then if you have guest access, you'll have to change it so that anyone can submit a form. So good luck with that. And I hope you rock at winning at Teams and adding the suggestions from your team to actually make it a better place to collaborate in. Chat soon.